Hello, this is shopforleatherman.co.uk. Shopforleatherman.co.uk is a BHIP Ltd company, been an authorised Leatherman dealer since 1999. This is a quick introductory video to the Leatherman Juice XE6. The Leatherman Juice range stands out in the Leatherman range as being a little bit different. Most Leatherman tools, like this Leatherman fuse tool I have here, are normally stored within a leather or nylon pouch on the user's belt. The Leatherman XE6 and the rest of the Leatherman Juice range are more similar to a traditional pocket knife and generally stored in your back pocket, ready for rapid deployment. Like most of the Leatherman tools, it's a butterfly opening tool. On the XE6 and the rest of the Juice range, the plier jaws are housed within the internal handles. So when the tool is closed, the pliers disappear away. Convenient feature of the Juice range is that all of the useful external blades can be accessed when the tool is closed. So unlike something like the fuse, which has to be opened to get access to the inner blades, the Juice, in this particular model, the XE6, has all the blades available on the outside. The XE6 features an awl, useful for putting primary hole before drilling into wood, a leader hole, or for puncturing into leather or sail fabric, fine edge blade, a wood saw, scissors, serrated knife blade, double-sided file, bottle opener, can opener and bottle opener, beer bottle. Leatherman Juice range, like all Leathermans, is covered by a lifetime warranty if bought from an authorised dealer, like shopforleatherman.co.uk. If you are considering buying a Leatherman tool, please do consider buying it from an authorised dealer, where you'll have many happy and safe years with your Leatherman tool. Just carefully closing away all of the blades. And there we have the Leatherman Juice XE6, as I say, a smaller tool than the Leatherman fuse, or kick, or blast, and generally not stored in a pouch. It doesn't come with a pouch, it's normally kept handy in your back pocket. If you're buying a Leatherman tool in the UK, please visit us online, shopforleatherman.co.uk, authorised Leatherman dealer since 1999. Thank you for listening to this presentation.